Bloody Mary, 12% ABV, vodka, ruby port, tomato juice, lemon juice, and LAIBA Mary mix. Hi, I'm Michael Chen, award-winning mixologist and creator of LAIBA Cocktails. This is our Bloody Mary. This drink is served in a highball or Collins glass. First we add the ice. You'll want to make sure you shake up the cocktail really well. We recommend storing this at room temperature or chilled in the fridge. Pour it over ice. Always make sure you stir it a few times just to chill it some more and release the dilution. My favorite garnish for a Bloody Mary is a celery stick. Put the whole stick in, don't be shy. And a nice lemon wedge. And this is the LAIBA Bloody Mary.